Hello, today I'll show you how to fix error P2 in Canon Pixma printer. So this error has to do with ink issue, the ink cartridges, or a paper jam somewhere, or um, inability of the carriage to be able to move back and forth. So to be able to solve this error, I'm going to first of all check out the cables. There is a cable from the cartridge itself that leads to the motherboard. Sometimes over time it pulls out, or carbon dust builds up on this particular cable, and this error begins to show up. So I'm going to check that area, but first I want to check the paper area to make sure that everything is fine. So to be able to get access to that particular area where the cable is, I'm going to open the side cover. You can see the side cover. After taking out all the screws on top, now you can see this cable here. That is where the problem is from most of the time. If you check in your printer in the carriage area and there's nothing blocking it, you need to come and check this cable here. You can just pull it out and then clean the cable and return it. That will be able to solve the problem most of the time. That is after you've confirmed that there is nothing wrong with the cartridges and then the carriage area is free of debris and dust. So I've been able to do that right now, and then I am going to fix the printer back, and I will try to do a test print thus to show you that everything is now fine. But before then, I'm going to close up all the covers on this printer. In case you haven't done already, I'd like you to like and subscribe to the channel. I have great videos on how to be able to fix different office equipment, printers, scanners, intercom, PBS, and all kinds of laptop and all kinds of office equipment. Just check my channel. I have great videos, and if you still have any one or two questions on this particular fix, you can hit me up in the comment section. I will do everything within my power to respond to you as soon as possible, so that you can be able to solve your problem and move on. So just like I said earlier, just check out for the cartridge area. Make sure that there is nothing that is blocking the movement of the carriage, that is the cartridge itself. Make sure that there is nothing there that is obstructing the movement of the cartridge when it moves back and forth the way it does. And another thing to check is check through the paper area to see if there is one or two things that is hanging in there that could be able to cause that problem. And then if you check all those areas and there is nothing there blocking it, just come to the side, the right hand side of the printer, open the plastic cover that is covering the logic board, and then you should be able to sort out that problem will have been sorted out easily. Okay, so I've been able to close out all the covers on this printer. Now I'm going to do a test print for you to see that the problem is solved. So I'm going to place the paper normally the way we place the paper, and then I'm going to do a test print from the printer. Or you can do a photocopy itself. You can see that there is no error showing, although it's still initializing for now, but there is no error showing, and it's beginning. It has started printing,